What is a retail supply chain? Each supply chain affects each individual differently. Many types function more behind the scenes, but one that's front and center every day is the retail supply chain. In fact, retail supply chains are likely the first ones the average Jane and Joe think about when they hear the term. That's because the retail supply chain for any company refers to all the logistics processes that lead to products getting into the hands of customers. How does a retail supply chain work? The key players in a retail supply chain are the suppliers of raw goods and/or components, the manufacturers who take those raw materials and components and use them to produce goods, the wholesalers who purchase products in bulk from the manufacturer, the retailers, physical or e-commerce, who then sell the goods to customers, and the customers themselves who shop for and buy those goods. And of course, the transportation and storage needed to get the products from one step to the next is important as well. And also increasingly these days, the manufacturer and retailer may be one and the same as more end customers shop direct. What is retail supply chain management? Retail supply chain management is, in essence, how one navigates the steps of a retail supply chain, keeping it moving and making adjustments when necessary. That involves a number of activities like keeping track of changes in demand, managing inventory, creating and executing a shipping strategy, quality control, maintaining strong partner relationships, incorporating freight and logistics technology, managing costs, and ensuring speedy, reliable product delivery. Customer experience and the retail supply chain. A key component of successful retail supply chain management is a positive customer experience, or CX. Ensuring a positive customer experience is vital to maintaining relationships, as a recent survey showed 98% of shoppers saying the delivery experience greatly affects their brand loyalty, and 84% said they're unlikely to shop with the brand again if it's a bad experience. To deliver a positive CX, visibility into the entirety of the supply chain, as well as transparency, communication, and general availability are important steps. This even applies beyond the end customer and to partners like suppliers. A bad CX can lead a supplier to end their relationship, so companies are adjusting their strategies with a greater focus on customer experience. A partnership with an experienced third-party logistics provider like Intech Freight and Logistics can be just the ticket to successful retail supply chain management. Just let us know what you need by calling 317-208-5565 or visiting our website www.intechfreight-logistics.com and hitting the Request a Quote button. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.